How to meditate into a higher level of consciousness. We live most of our life through 3 stages of consciousness: waking, dreaming, and sleeping. In the waking state of consciousness, we experience the world through the 5 senses. We seek elevation and joy from these senses. If any one of the sense is missing, the entire dimension of that sense is lost. One who cannot hear is bereft of the whole arena of sound. Similarly, he who cannot see is deprived of all the beautiful sights and colors. So the sense is more important and much bigger than the object of the sense. Waking and sleeping state. In the waking state, one is constantly engaged in looking, eating, working, etc. The other extreme is the sleeping state, where one is completely cut off and dull. The dullness and heaviness linger even after waking. The more one sleeps, the duller one feels, since a lot of energy is expended in sleep. Then there is the dreaming state, where one is neither asleep nor awake. Here you neither feel at rest nor are aware of your surroundings. Meditation. The higher state of consciousness is somewhere in between the waking, sleeping, and dreaming states. Here we know we are, but we don't know where we are. This knowledge that I am, but I don't know where I am or what I am, is called Shiva. This state gives the deepest possible rest that one can experience, and one can achieve this through meditation. How it helps? Meditation helps in 2 ways. It prevents stress from entering the system and simultaneously releases accumulated stress. With the assimilation of meditation into daily life, a higher state of consciousness called cosmic consciousness dawns within us. Cosmic consciousness perceives the whole universe as part of oneself. When we perceive the world as a part of us, love flows strongly between the world and us. This love empowers us to overcome the opposing forces and the disturbances in life. Anger and disappointments become fleeting emotions that occur momentarily and then vanish. Work on it. A higher state of consciousness will not simply happen one fine morning. The sapling of consciousness is within you. It needs to be nurtured through spiritual practices like meditation. Some coconut trees yield in 3 years and some in 10 years. And those that are not nurtured never yield, they simply exist. Letting go. Attaining higher states of consciousness does not require any complicated strategy. One just needs to learn the art of letting go. The confluence of knowledge, understanding, and practice makes life complete. When you grow into higher states of consciousness, you find that you are no longer thrown off balance by different situations and disturbances. You become strong yet soft, a delicate and beautiful individual, capable of accommodating different values in life without any conditions. As your consciousness opens and the whole system gets physically, mentally, and spiritually elevated, your life truly becomes worth living. For more interesting videos, subscribe to Speaking Tree YouTube channel.